Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix Monster Hunter while is having crashing issue. It is not launching or won't launch, freezing, stuttering, laggy, low FPS drop, stuck all loaded screen, and even many more issues which is happening on how we can fix this up. So let's dive into the workaround. So the first one is all about, we just need to go over here in the start icon. Now we need to do a restart on a system. That's what we have to do as the first step. So to do a restart, just go over here in the start icon. Now from here, go over in the power icon and do a restart. Once the restart is done, we just need to go back to the Steam and we have to check whether we are able to fix the issue or not. And that's what we have to do as the first step. Next one is all about, we need to launch the game from the installation folder. So to the users who are watching this, I have demo version. I have not yet played the game. I have not yet purchased the game, so the game is available for me, but I'm just using the demo version. So you can use the same step in the entire game as well. So we need to navigate to the installation folder, or we need to launch the game from the installation folder. So just go over here, right click and go to the properties, go to the installed file, and we just need to click on the browse. Now you can just close everything over here and just expand this. And right now, as you can see, if you scroll down, you can see this is the Monster Hunter Wild. So we need to launch the game from here. And before that, we need to make sure one thing. If the Steam is running in the background, just close the Steam and we have to launch the game from the installation folder. That even help with many users, so you can try this out as well. Next one, we need to run the game as an administrator and we need to run the game in the .exe. So just go over here, right click, show more options and go to the properties, compatibility. Click on run this program in the compatibility mode. Set this to Windows 7, go for apply, or you can set this to Windows 8, go for apply and go for OK. Once it has been set, just close this and we need to go back and try launch the game. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to delete the saved game file. So just go over here in the file explorer, navigate to the documents, go to my games. So if you have here folder for the Monster Hunter Wild, just delete the respective folder. And keep in mind, when you do this, you'll be losing all the progressions of the game. That's what you have to do, and you have to start from the scratch. Once you're done with deleting the saved game file, just go back and you have to check what is the next step. Next step is all about we need to allow the game to window security. So just go over here, search for the control panel, and we have to click on this one. And right now navigate to System and Security, Windows Defender Firewall. Go for allow an output feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Keep scrolling down and we have to navigate to M and make sure that the Monster Hunter is added here. So right now, as you can see, the Monster Hunter is not added. So we just need to add it. Just click on the change setting, allow another app. And before that, first we need to know where the game is installed. Right click, go to the properties, installed file. It is on E. So just go over here to the control panel, click on allow another app, go to the browse, navigate to this PC, copy this E, Steam library, Steam apps, go to common. Navigate to Monster Hunter Wild Benchmark. So this is the application. Select this one, go for open and add it. Once it is added, you have to put a check on both the boxes, private and public. You have to put a check on both the boxes, private and public. Now we just need to close this and we have to go back, try launch the game. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to unplug all the USB devices. So just go over here and we need to, if any kind of peripherals is added, for example, any additional joystick is added, or if any other thing is added, just unplug everything. Once everything is unplugged, what we need to do is we just need to try launch the game. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to move to the next step. That is all about we need to perform a clean boot. So just go over here, search for the system configuration. We have to click on this one and we have to go over here, click on services, disable or hide all Microsoft services, go for apply and go for OK to do a restart. Once a restart is done, just try launch the game. That's what we have to do. Move to the next one is all about we need to disable the Steam overlay. So just go over here in the game, right click, go to the properties, make sure enable the Steam overlay while in game. This should be turned off and try launch the game. Next one is all about we have to go over here. We need to give the commands to the launch option. So the first one, DX11, that's what we have to do. And we have to try with DX12. That's what we have to try. So either the DX11 will be working or we have to try with DX12. So if DX12 is not working, we have to try with D3 D2, and that's what we have to try. You have to try with D3D2, or we have to try with DX11, or we have to try with DX12. So try this, and once afterwards you have to remove this. And if giving this step is not working, after giving Ninja launch option, if it's still not working, remove everything and try launch the game. Next one is all about what we need to do. So we just need to type these commands in the launch option, which I did. Now we need to close overlay and overclocking application. So just go over here, task manager, go to the task manager over here. Now from here, as you can see, there are a lot of things running in the background. Just remove everything. All the unwanted things should be removed regarding, for example, the Epic Games Launcher should be removed. Discord, Riva, Tuner, MSA, Afterburner, everything should be removed from here, which comes to the category of overlay and overclocking application. Just remove everything. Now we need to launch the game. Next one is all about what we need to do. So we just need to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So just go over here, search for the graphics settings. Now from here, click on this one. Go over here, go to browse. Now we need to add the game. Go to local SE, Steam library, Steam apps, go to common. Now from here, we have to navigate to this one, select this one and add it. Once it is added, just click on the option. Make sure from this one to high performance, and even the NVIDIA should be over here. Just go for the save and try launch the game. Next one is all about what we need to do. So we just need to update the graphics card. So I'll be providing a link in the description to both. So if you're on the NVIDIA, just go over here in this page, select everything like the GeForce 16 series, everything should be selected based on your PC's configuration and cohort find. Now from here, if we go over here, we'll be getting this particular option. So what we need to do is once we go over here, we can download this one and install, and that's what we have to try. Based on your PC's configuration, you have to download and install. Next one is based on the Windows 11. We can just go over here in the graphics, and we have to go over 5000 series and select this one and go for submit. And if you're on Windows 11, download this one, and if you're on the Windows 10, download this one. You can also try installing the Microsoft Visual C++ based on your PC's performance. So if the system is based on x64, download this one, and if the system is based on x86, you can download this one. After trying with these, if there is an issue, we need to do very important step one. We need to verify the game file, uninstall and reinstall the game. To verify the game file, just go over here, right click and go to the properties, go to the installed file and just click on the verify game file, which is going to cross check every single files of a game, and if any files are corrupted and if any files are missing, and all these kind of issues will be fixed by this. And regarding uninstalling the game, just go over here to the manage and uninstall the game. And for reinstalling it back, you should not be installing back on the same local disk, which is right now E. Either you have to try D or C, and that's what you have to do. So these are the steps, and I hope this quick video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.